My Floodstop is beeping and displaying red. I have no hot water flow at present. Had a noise with water use just prior to loss of hot water. We have a pressure tank attached to water heater just below the Floodstop. Want to restore hot water to home if possible.
My name is. I look forward to helping you. Is your Floodstop plugged in or running off batteries? Are you there?
Direct and battery backup, Charlie. Both direct and battery backup.
Okay, can you see the water sensor in the pan? Is it cover in the paper envelope it came with? Is it wet? Is it in contact with any metal? The pan or the water heater? Can you upload a picture of the sensor as it sits in the pan?
There is no water in the pan, there's been no overflow. The contact sheath with no pan contact.
Press the open button on the controller. Did that open it up?
Water no flowing, STLL a slight noise but seems to be diminishing. Thanks for your help. Good info. Charlie.
Here's your best friend when it comes to the Floodstop.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.